Hello everyone, and welcome to Adventure Evolved. So today I've got a really amazing news and a surprise, and here it is. So my uncle recently came from Germany, and to my real great surprise, he brought this as a gift from there. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video about this. It's a DJI Spark with the Fly More combo. It comes in various packages, and I mean, it's really amazing. I'm so looking forward to using this, and I always dreamt about having one, so I could maybe, of course, make amazing footage and all those, especially when you're out in the outdoors, etc. So I mean, and especially DJI, it's a really great company. From what I hear, they make really good drones, and the Spark edition, even though they have better ones, the Spark is more popular from what I have researched and heard. So it already has, let's see, it has the aircraft body, the remote controller, and intelligent flight battery ×2 inside. It has a charger, a battery charging hub, a shoulder bag, a storage box, a micro USB cable, and it has quick release folding propellers, 2 pairs, and propeller guards, 2 pairs. So that's amazing. So, and it also has apps on the App Store and the Google Play. And along with these, I also got another extra battery pack, so we'll look at that later. Let's start off with unboxing this thing. So I got here with me a Swiss Army knife. Yeah, the officer edition. So I'm going to be using this to open the box up. Where's that small one? Oh, here it is. There we go. This one. Okay. So let's start off with removing the plastic package. I mean, wow, it's just so exciting. I don't even feel like opening it just looking at that picture. It looks really futuristic. Okay. Alright, we've got a little tape over here. We've got that opened up. We've also got another one over here. And okay, it says Alpine White, so that's the color in which the drone's gonna be. It comes in, I guess, 3 colors, gray, white, and black, I guess. Wow. So, yep, first time opening up the box. Let's see over here. Okay. That's pretty heavy. I'm guessing it's the shoulder bag talking about. I'm gonna look at it later. Okay, and okay, here's a partition, and I'm gonna take that off. It says DJI, and it's a polystyrene box, but it's painted, it's in black color. Right, I'm gonna look at that later as well. Let's do the unboxing first. And this is pretty heavy as well. It has some kind of, maybe it's a packing, and the box is empty. Wow, that was fast. So okay, let's take a look at all those things one by one now. So first of all, let's start off with this package over here. Let me try opening it from here. Okay. It's full of instruction manuals, and we all know how interesting this is. So yep, I'll give them a read. And then we've got this baby, and I have a good feeling from this. So let me see if you guys can see that properly. Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Bismillah. Wow, freaking amazing. I mean, look at that color and that packaging, it's so awesome. Let me focus in for you guys. Yep. So let's go to dehydration pack. What are these? Oh, okay. So these are the spare propellers. Both are over here packaged, and this is the battery. I believe it's the extra battery. Let's take this out. Wow, I mean, it's heavy. I guess it's more heavier than I thought it would be, but still, I mean, it's a drone there. I mean, these motors, they must have really nice. Wow, I mean, I accidentally touched the gimbal camera over here. It's so smooth, and it's definitely feels like it's gyro stabilized and everything. It's got these plastic coverings on the screens, and here's the power on off button. It says Spark over here, and I believe these are gonna glow possibly. And okay, here's the second battery. It's inside the drone, and here are the sensors. So I'm gonna put the drone back now, and we'll continue on opening the last content that came with it. Let me try zooming out over here a bit. So okay, here's the shoulder bag, and it has all these charging cables. Here's the USB cable, and let me open it from over here as well. Okay, here's, I believe, the charging port for the batteries. And let's take this out. Wow, there's all this looks like an adapter for the charging port, and it's a really nice bag, by the way. Same cable, and I wonder what's inside these. Oh, okay. These are the guards, the propeller guards, the spare extra ones that come with the flight combo package. And here's the most important thing, the remote control, of course. That is so smooth. I mean, it's those feelings when you get a new PlayStation or Xbox and that controller is so amazing. I hope they have a nice life. Okay, here's the antenna. That's how it opens up. And I guess you have to attach your phone with it, or maybe you don't. But let's see about that. Okay, here's probably where the charger goes and the port goes. So nice, real nice. Oh, it's got a sports mode as well, a function, a pause, I guess a homing button, a power button, and take a picture button, and a recording button. And this is some zoom in and zoom out feature. So okay, I mean, that's so cool. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Everything that came in the box I showed you guys, and I mean, I've never done an unboxing video before, so please do forgive for all the funny moments in between, but then again, it's just for fun and everything. And I really look forward to using this and sharing the footage with you, so look forward to having an amazing time. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a nice day.